मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी ऑन द टॉप वेयर आई शेयर माय क्रिएटिविटी. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
So here I have a glass shelf with me. I have used it near my bathroom area to keep the necessary items. So I don't require it any longer. So I thought of making a beautiful home decor piece out of it. So first of all, I'll remove all the screws from this shelf and I'll remove it just one by one. So with the help of screwdriver, I'm removing it. It has actually become a little bit rusty, but I don't think so that would be an issue because I can clean it easily. So here I think I am almost done with the removal process. So here are all the parts of the shelf, the screws and handle and everything. So now I'll just spray paint it with silver color. So now here I am taking acrylic color bottles. These are 4 bottles I would require for this project. So before I go ahead for the coloring of the bottles, I thought that I need to clean it thoroughly. So I have cleaned it just with the hot water. So now I can go ahead for the coloring of these bottles. And here I have taken a silver color spray paint. You can take the color of your choice, whether it is black, white or golden. It would at the end actually look really beautiful. So these are the bottles which we have just painted. So now I'll just take a glue gun, a stainless glue gun. I'm using and applying this hot glue on the bottles, side of the bottles, and I'll stick it in pairs. So I'm repeating the same process on the other pair also, and I'll just leave it for a few seconds to get dry. So now here I have just taken a cotton rope. It's a white color rope and I'm taking it to stick on the bottom of the bottles. So for that, firstly I'll take the measurements perfectly and then I'll cut it and I'll stick it to the bottles. So again I have applied a hot glue and I am sticking this rope on the bottom part. Then I will allow it to get dry for a few seconds. So here I have a fabric with me. It's a grey color and really soft and really beautiful fabric. So I think I need to cut it in the square shape. So I think I'll take scissor and I'll start cutting it. So here I have just started. It might take few seconds or a minute's time to cut. This is actually a fabric of one of the ladies' top. I have used the rest of the fabric and this is the leftover one. So I thought why not to make a use of it, as it is really soft and really beautiful. And it would also give a nice touch to my decor piece. This fabric actually fits on this glass top, and I'll apply some hot glue on the glass top and I'll stick this fabric on this. So I'll just tap it few times so that it won't get removed. So now I'll attach the screws again on the glass top. So I am attaching the screw on the glass top, and now I am cutting the fabric on the perfect area because I didn't find it comfortable to cut it previously because this is a stretchable fabric. So I thought there might be a chance I make the hole on the wrong side. So now I'll proceed further and I'll attach rest of screws. So with the help of screwdriver I am making it really tight so that it won't come off. So here I am done, and now it's time to cut the excess fabric. So here I have taken a scissor and I started cutting it from the edges. But this is actually completely optional, because any which ways we are just going to stick it underneath the glass top. So now I am taking these acrylic color bottles, and the rope is also properly attached to the bottles. So now I'll just apply some hot glue on the mouth of the bottle and I'll stick it to the glass top. So here I have sticked it in a V shape, and I have also applied some hot glue on the edges of the fabric and I've sticked it on the edges. So now it's time to attach these handles back to the shelf. So I'm attaching it in a cross shape. You can also attach it in a straight form, that would also look good, but I thought this might look beautiful because I prefer this one. Attaching this is actually really simple process, and unexpectedly it's really tight, so that is a very good thing. So here I am done, and this is how it looks. So just for the decoration purpose, I am sticking these crystals on all the 4 corners, so that I thought that it might give a nice finishing touch. So here I am done. Isn't it just looking beautiful? I'm really happy with the result. You can keep it on your coffee table, on your entryway, on your center table, anywhere. It will, any which way, is going to look really beautiful.
So here I am signing off for today. Thank you for joining. I'll come back soon with another video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.